how to add tables and calculators to Notion with rows. So let's get started. So as you can see here, you have to go to the site. This is what we call rows.com, and you can simply add and copy or create some rows and tables right here. So for example, you have created this, your project, for example, and you wanted to copy this or paste this to your Notion dashboard. So all you have to do is to click the share right here. You can toggle this one if you want to share it privately with the link. Okay, but actually this was optional. You can tap this one and then copy link. And actually you can also try this embed and then copy URL. So as you can see, once you have copied your URL right here, and then all you have to do is go to your Notion dashboard, right click, and then tap at this create embed. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have added the project, the rows, and the tables from rows.com. And the good thing about here is that you can resize this, okay, if you want to enlarge or increase, and then if you want to edit something right here. So take note that whatever you type right here will also reflect, or it is also sync here in rows. Also, there's another way on how to copy URL. So if we go back to roast.com and then tap this embed right here, okay, as you can see, you can tap this view full spreadsheet. Okay, so the person or someone who will use this account can edit. Okay, and then copy, again, right click and then paste, and then click this create embed right here. And then same thing, you can enlarge, you can increase, you can change the size. And then after that, you can edit everything here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. For example, I'm going to change this part right here. So let me change the number. And then let's see if it also changes the numbers in rows.com. So this is what it looks like. So okay, again, let me change the number right here. Okay, let's start with the rows.com. So I changed it in the rows.com. If I go back to Notion, the number here also changed. Okay, so because this one is connected or everyone here is synced. So if you also want to change it here in Notion, you can change also, or you can see the changes here in rows.com. So let's just say if I'm going to change something here, example, let me change this to 800 in rows.com. If you go to Notion, as you can see, it is also changed to 800. Now, let's talk about adding calculators. So, if you have also created a project here, a calculator in rows.com or in any website, and you want to copy and then paste it or add it to your Notion dashboard, so you just have to do the same thing because whatever you change here will also reflect there in Notion dashboard. So, for example, if you want to change something here, then all you have to do is to go to your dashboard in Notion and see also the changes. So if you have lots of tables here and you just have to, or you just want to copy a specific area or section, you just have to click this three dots, tap this embed right here, click this view full spreadsheet, and then copy URL, or you can select all and then Control C. Now go to your dashboard and then right click. Same thing. You just have to click this create embed right here. And as you can see now your calculator and you can increase this one. And it's the same thing if you want to change something right here, if you want to add or delete, you will also see the changes here in rows.com. Okay, so for example, if you want to change these numbers right here, if you go to your Notion dashboard, you will see also the changes. So that's basically the step. If you have, or if you log into your rows.com and if you have created a project there, for example, tables or columns or calculators. So all you have to do is to tap share and then copy or go to embed and then copy URL and then go to your dashboard, your Notion, right click and then tap create embed. And then if you want to do some changes here, then it will reflect or sync to, for example, Rose.com or Notion dashboard. as easy as that.
If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.